members of the Board of Trustees here present, members of the press. At the end of our special BoT meeting, at the end of our special Board of Trustees meeting, the following resolutions were reached. 1. To call on all party leaders and persons close to them to desist forthwith from making further inflammatory remarks or granting press interviews. 2. To call on the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum to convene a meeting of the PDP Governors Forum without further delay. 3. To call on all leaders of the party to match words with action, and where commitments are made, to unconditionally fulfill same. 4. To urge on the national chairman as an eminent leader to give a firm assurance that he will resign his position after the 2023 elections. In the same vein, the BoT chairman has been authorized to offer apologies on behalf of all members who feel maligned or aggrieved by the public statements made by its members nationwide that has sharpened the current division in the party. To call on the presidential candidate to review its appointment, of members of the Presidential Campaign Council and other advisory appointments to make it all inclusive. Last but not the least, 6, the BoT will refer some of these recommendations for noting an appropriate action to NEC of our party in due course.
Thank you very much, sir. Gentlemen, request as the text of the press briefing.
Are you going now? In the rent?